Hidden along the Nile border, Elephantine was a frontier town whose Persian-era Jewish community thrived and traded through papyri crossing deserts. The Elephantine papyri revealed daily life, marriages, debts, and a temple to Yahweh coexisting with Egyptian and Persian influences. The enduring mystery asks why this temple persisted when Jerusalem faced turmoil and what that says about early diaspora practice. Scholars debate whether Elephantine kept its own rites or mirrored a pragmatic multicultural legal world near empire's edge. Tracing these inscriptions reshapes our view of ancient pluralism and shows how a distant outpost quietly influenced modern ideas of coexistence.